In this lesson, we will show how to create future classes in ArcGIS. First of all, you must create future geodatabases. In the previous lesson, we have created it and click one of them and then click New, then click Future Class. In the open table, name the future class. This is geometry. Its geometry type is polygon features. If you want to visualize it in ArcScene, you must click here to include Z coordinates. Click Next. Then select coordinate system of the future class you have just created, and we have two types of coordinate system: geographic coordinate system and a projected coordinate system. Geographic coordinate system is in degrees, the projected coordinate system is in meters. We will select geographic coordinate system, select verb, VGS 1984, click Next. If you want, you may select vertical coordinate systems. Now we will select VGS 1984 2 in this coordinate system. You may stay then default, click Next, then click Next, and now we will give the attributes for the created feature classes here. And first of all, type. We have a field. We want to give type to the field, name of the field, and then here we have data type. We may select it short integer, long integer, float, double, text, etc. We will select text, and then name of the future. The second field name, click text 2, and then click finish. Now we have created first future classes building these polygon geometry types. Then you may create line and point features too in the same way. For example, we now will create point features on type points. It's the name. You may stay alias empty and click point features is the type, geometry type. If you don't want to visualize them in ArcScene, you may stay this empty, click Next. We have now we must give the created feature the coordinate system. We select work VGS, or you must add it to, you may add to favorite it, not to search every time. Now we have added it in favorites, and it will show us on the top of the list. Click Next, and then click Next. And now we have must give attributes to the created feature classes, and we may import the attributes from the previously created feature classes. To do it, click Import button, then click to the folder connection that you have created feature. We have new feature. Just press select feature classes you have created and then press add button. Now it has imported the attributes from the feature created from the previously created feature classes. Click Finish. In the same way, you may create line features. Click Freeze. Select the geometry type line features. Click Next. Click the coordinate system. Click Next. Import. Then from now we have three geometry types, feature classes in three different geometry types. Then you may in this step, after creating them, you may create them. For example, we have an image here, and now we want to draw buildings here. For this, click Editor and then click Start Editing. And then you must select Create Features and select Building. And here you may select Construction Tools. You must select Construction Tools. The default is polygon or rectangle, circle. Now you will select polygon and then draw a building here. And at the end, double click to complete the drawing, digitizing. If you want to fill the attributes, click Attributes table here, or you may select Attributes, the editor toolbar here, or standard editor toolbar. And now we have opened the first attribute table of the first feature classes. Just we have drawn the type of the building. You may write government. Name of the building, government, cost, for example, cost, office, enter, and then you must say the edit to create a point. Also, you may create click to the feature, create feature classes, and then click to point layer, then construction tool. Select the construction tool, point. Now the cursor of the mouse changes to the point geometry type. We have now left click to the place you want to place it, and then select attributes, type government, and the name post office or office 23. In the same way, you may create line features. For example, create features again, select streets, and then click to the construction tool. Now we want here to draw the left click the mouse button, and then again to put vertices if you want, or you may put vertices at the end, double click, and now we have created first our street, and then click attributes table, type. For example, the type avenue, name, for example, enter, and then click editor button, select save edit. In the same way, we may create second click here, double click, and then type second search street, click left button, then at the end click double click the left button, and then type 3 then again save edit. Now we have created first feature, building, point, and the street. To view then all the attributes of these feature classes, you may go to the table of contents and right click to the layer, first left click, and then press right click to the layer you want to open attributes, and select open attributes. We may see the attribute table of the features that we have just created. Here we have created only one feature. Here in the street layer we have created three features. In the building layer we have created only one feature. Thanks for watching our video, and if you like, press the like button and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Get notifications about the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.